Okay, mga ka-random thoughts, for today's podcast, let's tackle about reason, desire, and freedom. And for today's, let's have Mr. Justin A. Rigaroy to discuss what is reason, what is desire, and what is freedom.
Hi guys, it's me Justin and welcome to Random Thoughts for today's podcast. Tanungin ko kayo, ano nga ba ang kahalagahan ng freedom sa reasons over desires ng isang tao? Tara, alamin natin. Ang freedom, it serves as the moral foundations of moral actions. Lahat ng tao ay may kalayaan. Or should they say, ito yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin ng malaya, walang nangingialam, walang pumipigil at higit sa lahat, tama. Mahalaga ang freedom sa reasons over desires ng isang tao dahil this is one of the formula created by the philosopher, which is Immanuel Kant, saying that people should live according to reasons, not to desire. O in Tagalog, mabuhay ka ng may katwiran, hindi lang sa tawag ng laman. Diba? Being a person who we ought to be is by using our freedom to live with reasons. Gamitin natin ang ating kalayaan ng tama. Huwag nating abusuhin. Or should they say, ika nga nila, freedom to peace. Yun lang. Thank you.
What a wonderful idea, Mr. Roy. So now, let me share my thoughts. Hello mga ka-random thoughts. I am Maria Clabalay Olarvida and I am here to share my thoughts about freedom, reason, and desire. So what is freedom? What is desire? And what is reason? In my opinion, desire and reason is important to understand the concept of freedom. I believe that desire encompasses strong wishes or deep wants, while reason represents a sense of purpose. Reason can be seen as the driving force behind our action, guiding us in our pursuit of goals and ambition. Freedom is the ability to do what you ought to do. At tayo, bilang tao, may kalayaan tayo na gawin ang gusto natin. However, there are instances when our desire lead us to become consumed with greed, causing us to lose sight of our original intention and the underlying reason for our action. So, while we're on the process of doing what we ought to do, we must balance fulfilling our desire and staying true to our reason for pursuing certain goals and objectives, so that we can live a better life and allow us to seek our true goals and why we live our life on purpose. Again, this is Random Thoughts. Live free and share your thoughts. Thanks! This is Ronald Digno to share his thought.
The concept of freedom, often intertwined with reason and desires, is a complex and multiplicated one. While reason might guide us toward logical choice, desires can often pull us in a different direction. Freedom then becomes the space where these forces interact and influence our action. Isipin ang isang ibon sa isang hawla. Mayroon itong physical na kalayaan na inuunat ang mga pakpak nito at gumalaw sa loob ng mga limitasyon nito. Gayunpaman, wala itong tunay na kalayaan upang lumipad sa kalangitan, upang tuklasin ang mundo sa labas ng hawla. Ang limitadong kalayaan, ito tulad ng kalayaan na naranasan natin sa loob ng mga instruktura ng lipunan, ay maaaring parehong makapagpalaya at mahigpit. Sa huli, ang kalayaan ay hindi lamang tungkol sa kawalan ng mga paghihigpit, kundi tungkol sa malay na pagpili na kumilos ayon sa ating mga halaga. ating katwiran at ating mga pagnanasa. Ito ay tungkol sa pagyakap sa komplikado ng karanasang pantao, pag sa magulong na kalayaan, katwiran at pagnanasa, at sa huli paghahanap ng ating sariling natatanging landas.
Napakahusay, Mr. Digno. Ayon sa kanya, ang freedom ay isang paghahanap ng natatanging landas. Yun naman. Ngayon, dumako naman tayo kay Miss Janelle Irish Bautista upang ibahagi ang kanyang mensahe at idea patungkol sa ating topic ngayong araw.
So, there's this quote from Johann Gottfried Herder, "Freedom is the only law which can be obeyed by reason." So for me, it basically means that real freedom comes from making smart choices based on reason, not just following our impulses. So, how does this play out in our everyday life? Think about it. Minsan, gusto nating magpahinga pero alam nating may mga kailangan tayong tapusing trabaho. This is where our desires and reason can be clashed. It's all about finding a balance. One way to handle this is to look at a bigger picture. Ask yourself if giving into a desire now will help or hurt your long-term goals. Setting priorities can also help. If you know what's most important to you, it's easier to make decisions that align with those goals. And of course, don't forget, it's okay to enjoy your desires too. It's about finding middle ground where you can meet both your wants and rational needs. That's it for today. Thanks for hanging out on Random Thoughts.
At narito naman si Mr. Carl Joseph Enriquez upang magbahagi ng kanyang idea sa rason, freedom at desire.
Why human being desire freedom? This question leads to all sorts of interesting thought experiments. For instance, how comfortable, large, and populated would we have to make a cage before it's seen as a preferable alternative to living freely outside of its walls. And for how long would this continue? Even under the most ideal circumstances, we would try to break out. What's my evidence? Will we weren't content just staying down here on earth? Were we? Humans are always seeking new things. We hate limitations as general rule. Most of all, we want to learn. That's how we've gotten this far as individuals and as a whole. If there are new things to be seen, new territories to explore, and new facts about extents to suss out, we badly crave them all so badly we would sacrifice nearly anything in their pursuit.
Here, Mr. Angelo Mengito to share what is his desire and what is his reason.
So ayun, what is my desire nga ba? My desire is to be a successful entrepreneur someday, to help my family and other people, to give jobs, and para makilala yung kalaka. Like Mr. Raven and Doc Joy want na magkameron din ng title someday yung kalaka. And yun, reason, gusto ko magbigay ng trabaho sa mga kalakenyos, and gusto ko mas maging ang tawag dito, mas maging maganda yung kalaka, makapagbigay ng trabaho, mapagtayo ng kumpanya, mas makilala to, and higit sa lahat, mas ma-develop yung kalaka. Yun lang.
Again, this is Random Thoughts. Live free and share your thoughts. Thank you for listening. See you on our next episode.